To keep this channel alive, I really could use your help. First and foremost, could you give this video a thumbs up to let me and YouTube know that you like it? And then check out some more of my videos. The more you watch and like, the more successful I will be. Thanks, everyone. Meaning of the English idiom, first and foremost. Also used, first of all. First and foremost means primarily, most importantly, before anything else. Usage of idiom. This idiom tends to emphasize one thing or person, among others, as the most important. For example, first and foremost, I'd like to thank my director, without whom this performance would not have been possible. More examples of how to use first and foremost in a sentence. He was always, first and foremost, a loving father. First and foremost on our minds are the victims of this vicious attack. First of all, you don't even know how much a bathroom remodel will cost, said Tom. You'll have to get some estimates to find out whether we can afford it. A good pair of shoes, first and foremost, should be comfortable. Origin of idiom. Both the words first and foremost in this idiom mean most important and have been used together to lend emphasis since the 1300s. The variant first of all has been used since the mid-1500s.